Okay, so, today we're gonna teach you how to make epic drink. Last time we taught you how to make epic cookie, and now we teach you how to make epic drink. Okay, so, first, you need to get this Diet Twist Up. It can either be that or Diet Sprite. I would recommend this since it has a little bit different of an effect though. Now, you need a styrofoam cup. Next, you should pour, just pour how much you want, I would say. And now, you should pour 3 condiments into it. Ketchup. Let me just pour it in. Oh, whoops, forgot to shake it. Sorry, I think you know. Just do it like that. It should look like this a little bit. Now, be right back. I feel like making a cut, cause why not? Okay, I'm done making the cut. Now you need mustard. Any mustard works. I'm using Heinz yellow mustard. Actually, no. Please do not use mustard. Mustard will ruin it. Use ranch. Okay, I poured a little bit of ranch. And now, what I think you should do is get a spoony spoon. Oh yeah, this is what it should look like. You should mix it. Mix. Now, you may think that this is the end, but no, there was some more stuff that we are added. First of all, you need to add some Starburst. I'll recommend putting 2 in. Starburst right here. Now, put it in. Pretend the Starbursts are like ice. I think it would be best if you could do that. Now, just put the other Starburst in, and there's still more steps though. Still, don't forget. So, be right back. Now you got this crushed strawberry. It's meant for water. Get this. It's meant for water, but we're not using it for water. We're using it for much of a different purpose. Hold up. Trying to open it. Okay, so I finally got it to open, so you pour it. And then you mix it again. I threw my spoon away, but yeah. Maybe a little hard to mix with the Starburst in it. Just do it. Okay, and doesn't look the best. That's just what it looks like though. This is what it should look like now. Now, for the last and final step, for the final step, put just a bare slice of cheese in there. Because cheese is good. Cheese makes everything better. So yeah, just put a bare slice of cheese. Just put some bare cheese in there. You may need to rip it up, it's fine. That's what I think I'll have to do. You may have to... Well, I did drink it. I'm all dead. He died from poisoning, and it's all Frank's fault. I can't believe that drink would do that. He has the same powers as the bone people. You hear that? It has the same powers as the goddamn bone. My God.